Ari's here with the trees. Awesome. They're so pretty. Wow. They are so cute.
They're like Christmas trees.
I know, Christmas trees all year long. Oh my gosh. We can decorate them at Christmas.
You can decorate them at Christmas.
Me and you, baby, me and you. Wow. Are you gonna leave them on your trailer till we plant them?
Just don't want them to turn sideways all day.
Yeah. This is gonna act as our privacy fence. So it's natural, not really something we have to maintain long term. And it's gonna look really good. It's really exciting. They're gonna grow to be really big. Love it. Compost and manure. And then what is this? Peat moss. And this was like $55.
Yeah.
12 of the compost and manure, 2 of the peat moss.
It was like $2 a bag, $2.50 a bag or something.
Yeah, for the compost, and then 17 for the peat moss each. This is the first hole. The first tree. So we've got to dig 12 down the fence line. Planting the first one. Wow, it's root bound.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, that's not super what you want. Wow. Making progress.
Ooh, ready to be planted.
Wow. There you go.
So what were we thinking, 3 feet?
3 feet apart. Well,
Uh,
what's the math of that? It was 43 feet that we needed. This is the first tree planted, and it's exactly as tall as me. I love them. They're so cool. so soft.
Yeah.
I love him. It's like
Watch him
exactly as tall as me. It's gonna be really cool to see how tall they grow.
Water and sunshine. I don't want them to be not in line.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about pulling them all onto the driveway and like pulling a string line or something. And digging all my holes.
Whatever you need to do. Ari, does the peat moss go on top of the compost?
Peat moss is supposed to be mixed in with everything, but I don't know if I even feel like doing that because our soil is actually pretty good, and I'm worried about too much water, not enough water.
Okay. So we might take it back. Okay.
Or I might save it from my garden. Because why not?
They are so cute.
I am sure there are better ways of doing this.
I think that looks really good though. Two sides is probably
Enough.
yeah. All right. Yeah, I can do this.
Pull it in the middle. Let's just do dots. Right after the tree.
I don't know. That's pretty on the money.
Yeah, but yeah, it is.
I like it. Yeah, I like it. Let's just bring that down. That good? Is this all dry? And we'll be able to put it in. Alright. So we ran the string and we kind of tried to spray paint around where each one is going to go, and it's about to storm, so that's not good. Hope they don't blow over before we can get them in the ground. Here's the tag, care instructions. Plants can have companion plants. That is so cute. Who knew? So pretty. Wow.
You're like a Wookiee. Got that root metal pipe. I mean, that's just next level root right there, man.
That, wow.
This is called your metal tree, and it's this particular kind of tree here in Tennessee that the roots have a metal coat around them. Yeah, so.
Wow, that root really grew right through that pipe. Okay, the update is 3 planted and number 4 in the works on day 1. Digging the hole for tree number 8. It's the next day. So you've done 3 today, yeah?
Yeah.
Yep. On number 4. Looks really good. Wow. It has been 3 weeks since we planted the trees, and they look so good. We really love them. They were definitely expensive, but we feel that they were worth the money. We purchased these at Nashville Nursery, and they sell for $120 a piece. So it ended up being about $1,200, but we were gonna put a privacy fence here, and that would have been a lot more expensive. So we really like this natural alternative, and we love it. We water them twice a week. We just put the hose pipe underneath at the base of it, and we let it run for about a minute per each tree, and that ends up being about 10 gallons of water per tree twice a week.